Hello friends, welcome to Java Swing tutorial. Now you are watching part 2 of JComboBox and ItemListener. In this video, we will discuss about the example that we want to create. These are all from the part 1 of the video. Alright, now let us look at the example. So in the next video, we are going to create this Swing UI. It's a JFrame window. First, here we create a text box. So these text boxes are to display the selected and unselected combo box item. So then here we display a combo box. So this one is the combo box. In the demo, first we will display this combo box as a normal combo box. So then we will observe how this becomes a non-editable item. Then we will make it as a editable combo box. So when user selects a particular item in the combo box, or if they edit something in the combo box, you will see the selected item is displaying whatever is user typed or selected. Say for example, now the selected item is 2, and let us say user switches from 2 to 4. So when this happens, the deselected item will display 2 and selected item will display 4. So that's what we want to achieve here. So as already discussed in the previous video, it requires handling the item event from the JComboBox, and we write a code inside the item selected event of the ItemListener. So that's all here in this short video. Thank you for watching. Bye. In the next video, we will go to the Eclipse demo.